Good morning, bless up, Grand Rising. I wanted to invite you to make a morning smoothie with me, add a little bit of almond milk, and as we go, we're just gonna talk a little bit about what is happening in parts of the world that a lot of us are not informed about. So as we add these delicious little organic blueberries and raspberries and a mix of fruit, let's think about our brothers and sisters in Guyana and Venezuela and the big companies that are influencing what's happening right now. And let's just send some prayers to South America, prayers for peace, prayers for solutions, and really clarity in mind to the decision makers. Let's understand that there is a lot of this energy of bullies and bigger countries and bigger companies taking over and pushing their way into places that they don't belong. So if we could just individually, as we, add our fruit to our smoothie and we add some sweetness to our life, we empower ourselves with superfoods like goji berries and really honor this temple that the Almighty gave us to work with. And remember that our personal regulation, our self-regulation, like using, maca root and understanding how to build our own immune system and taking responsibility for ourselves, that is what translates into the world around us. So the more we can empower ourselves and the communities that we live in and make these small steps of kindness and progress towards peace and unity, then that is such a blessing. And let's also be mindful how we invest our energy, how we invest our attention, the underlying energy that we're encouraging in the world by where we're putting our energy. So make sure that you're supporting good things, that you're doing good to yourself, you're speaking lovingly to yourself, you're creating that peace within your own experience and your own environment. And in turn, we're going to translate that into the world, and we're going to live in a more harmonious, inclusive, and progressive way. One love.